My name is Alessandro Rizzo. I'm a research engineer at IRD, the French National Research Platform Organization Sustainable Development. I'm the coordinator of the EOSC node data Terra, receiving this mandate by the legal entity, the French CNRS, the National Research Institute on Earth System and Astronomy. In the frame of Data Terra, I'm leading several research programs at European level, and I'm in charge of European affairs in Brussels. Scientifically speaking, my activity are focused on climate change adaptation perspective and challenges, especially in the global south. The complexity of the Earth system and environmental science, as well as the diversity of the different data sets, multimodal or multi-source data sets, imply that all the research activity, especially with regards to the environmental questions, should be integrate a lot of information data from different areas of investigation. This is the rationale behind the EOSC node data Terra. Considering that the most important things now, scientifically speaking, is just to address the global challenges, scientific global challenges facing global changes such as climate change, extreme risk characterization of social impacts, is really important to make these data sets interoperable and integrate. This is really the contribution from Data Terra, and the EOSC node Data Terra contributes especially providing a similar access to datasets, fair datasets, and AA-ready datasets from different sources. And the second contribution can be in relation to different workflow analysis system addressing really complex questions, the so-called global changes, as I said before, and finally providing a sort of federated layers towards different initiatives at European and global scales, such as also the other research organization and the infrastructure, so also flagship programs such as Copernicus. Data Terra is planning to be fully integrated into the operational ecosystem by mid-2026. In any case, what we want is provide additional services and access to different data sets all over the time, also before the deadline and after the deadline. What we want especially is leveraging on the EOS Federation interlinkages with the other EOS nodes, both thematic and national, just to consolidate integration and coordination among different research infrastructures to foster synergies, interoperability, especially within the framework of our research domains. Open science is one of the important aims of research carried out in Europe to make research outputs accessible and free to everyone. We consider that open is not enough. The most important is also to provide data sets or research products that can be fair, respecting the FAIR principles. Indeed, all the research outputs in digital assets should be made findable, accessible. They also be interoperable, and they should be provided with the provenance information to make them reusable. For that, Data Terra is developing a lot of efforts in this science to make the different data sets and data products really fair, especially in the framework of our research domains. We consider that we can progress on that, especially because open science should move also to collaborative science.